up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and be sure to check that notification bell to be notified every single time I make a new video. Now this week I wanted to take a look at a specific fish, a good fish that can help clean things up in your reef aquarium. And it's very important when you're picking fish for your aquarium that you select fish that are gonna have an important role in your aquarium. Fish that are gonna graze on algae, clean up your rock, burrow in the sand, keep your sand bed clean. Specifically with cleanup crews, you can do that with snails or hermit crabs, but you also want fish that can help tidy things up as well. Today I'm talking about the 6-line wrasse. Now we all know that it's a good idea to select fish that have a specific job within our aquarium. For example, tangs love to eat algae, foxface fish also graze on algae, and these fish can help with keeping a tank clean. Now the 6-line wrasse is a forager, and they will pick at the rockwork and cruise all over the tank in search of small organisms to feast on. Small crustaceans, unwanted pests, bristleworms, flatworms, nudibranchs, and more. Now my 6-line wrasse typically keeps to himself, and he's a lone wolf that scours the tank for his food. Now in the process, the 6-line wrasse helps keep the tank clean and keeps it free of unwanted pests. Now the 6-line wrasse is a beautiful fish. It's orange, blue, green, and it has 6 stripes, and that's why it's identified as the 6-line wrasse. Now these fish can be found in the wild off of the coast of Fiji and in and around the Indo-Pacific. Now the 6-line wrasse can grow up to 3 inches, and even though it's a peaceful fish that's definitely reef safe, it can be aggressive at times, especially towards other wrasses. Overall, the 6-line wrasse is an awesome fish, a very active fish in your reef aquarium or your fish only systems that can help keep everything clean and pest free. So if you're looking for a fish to do that type of job for your aquarium, go ahead and pick up a 6-line wrasse. Now they are known to be stubborn and aggressive at times, and I've known plenty of reefers that once they had a 6-line wrasse in their system, they just wanted them back out. And we know that getting a fish that's acclimated and established in your reef tank can be challenging to get back out again. But my experience with the 6-line wrasses that I've had in my prior tanks and the one currently in the 210-gallon reef is that he keeps to himself, he keeps the rockwork clean, he picks, cruises around the tank, and he's just a fine citizen in my reef tank. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you learned something. Please leave a question or a comment down below. And if I've earned your subscription, please click that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.